I have tested hundreds of paying sites and methods, and it really takes a whole lot to get me convinced to join a platform. But today, we'll be talking about a brand new site called Madai Surveys. I'll be showing you guys a run through on how the survey platform works and how far they pay to the customers or surveyors on the platform. If this is your first time joining us, this is Related here on board, and today I'll be showing you guys everything about Madai paying survey sites, Madai surveys that been new to the survey industry, everything you need to know about the platform. I share online and tricks, methods, strategies on how you can earn online with just your smartphone and your internet connection. Thank you for joining. Please share to your friends. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Let's get straight down into the video. So the first thing you gotta do is you'll be going to the platform Madai Surveys. So here you can see on my screen right now. This is Madai.com. I'll be dropping my link down there in the description. You can make use of my link if you want to support me. Thank you for that. So here on this platform, Madai has been awesome. They have been doing great lately. They also got payment methods. You can see here on my screen. You can actually get paid through PayPal, Amazon, or even cryptos. As you can see right here, I promised you guys in my Telegram community that I'll be showing you guys a brand new platform. And here it is, my promise fulfilling right now. So, Madai here has something unique. I've actually not seen on other survey platforms. Here you can see on my screen that you can start earning right away without even signing up. Can you see that here? No sign up here, no sign up, no downloads, no personal data required, just start earning. Okay, so let's just go down to see more information about them before I try to log in. So here you can see what it says it. Choose a reward available, engage and earn. No sign up, nothing to download, no need to provide your data. Okay, so Madai has been here for quite some time, not so long recently, but they have been doing great, which is all that matters. And they have been paying a lot to the customers recently. Yeah, so you can actually join this platform here over here. Let's break it down. Daily value 300K, 20 minutes average time on the surveys. As you can see, average cash out per site $4, $60 on average here. As you can see, everything down here. Here all you got to do is you just click here where it says stat earning, and it takes you in. Here you just pick the method you want to end with. Here, for those of you guys who got PayPal accounts, you can actually make use of this. You click on PayPal. If you want to go on with Amazon, you can try Amazon. Okay, so about here I got PayPal, I got Amazon, I got everything here, but I prefer PayPal. So you just click on PayPal, and then it should take you in. So let's wait for it. And then the next thing you see here, it should be this. Okay, so you guys been new to this, you just select that method. You can make use of this like I said already. PayPal, Amazon, or Bitcoin, any of them you want is okay. All right, so can you see this here? It takes you in. You don't need to have all the stress going on with email addresses, going on with passwords and all that stuff. Nah, nothing like that. You just go straight to the point. The minimum withdrawal you actually need is $5. Okay, like every other sites, you can actually register here on Madai from anywhere around the world. But of course, the number of surveys you will get depends on the country. You understand? So here it's just straightforward. Okay. The next you got there, if you're working here, you click on Earn More, and then it takes you in. where you just start doing your surveys at once. So this is the site, guys. Please, if this is the kind of videos you love, smash the like button, share to your friends. Please drop your comments in the description. I will respond to everybody. I will respond to everybody. If you got any questions, I am open to help. Okay, you are welcome. So here, you just click on my surveys, find my surveys, and it will take you down into the survey. Okay, so it's all easy as that. So it's gonna match you up, and then that's it. So let's take it back here. So anyone you want to try using, once you have actually clicked on start earning, you select the method you want. If it's Amazon, you deal with Amazon. If it's in through Bitcoin, that's it. It's as pretty as easy as that. Okay, so I believe I didn't take much of your time, like I promised from the onset. Please, guys, one more time, smash the like button. I'll be coming back with another banger. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye for now.